Okay, these were the other two files which I had sent you.
Yes, yes.
These are the column positions of that. So, okay. So let's just discuss like one of those, and we'll discuss the column positioning, and after that I think we can proceed towards the steps of the THD. So you
Okay.
have done the first one also, right? You have done the
Yeah.
first one. First one you had
Yes.
done, na?
Yes.
So like you have the Tekla structural designer software installed.
Yes, yes. I have it installed.
Okay, okay. So you had started or you didn't start trying the steps in
No,
this?
not yet. I've not started yet, but I thought of doing it today.
Okay, okay. So you can start. So, but in today's class, let's discuss about the like the column positioning of these two plans.
Yeah.
But we'll first finish the from yeah, after we practice we'll just move with the steps of the THD and then the drawing part also.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I've done one
So
mistake in that column.
yeah, so this column positioning which we have done, first thing is that while we do the column positioning in uh, here after making the architectural plan, we just do it for a basic idea, so we can keep it for the of the same size, all the columns of the same size, like 10 inch into
Okay.
10 inch. After that, well, it changes because after that we have to draw the column positioning, and anyway we have to draw
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
So when we draw this, so we can just consider like the only the beam, only 10 inch into 10 inch columns.
Okay.
So can you just wait for a minute? I just
Yeah. Yeah.
so yeah, okay. So we'll do the column positioning. First of all, we'll
Hmm.
start from upwards, like this portion. I think here we had a wall.
Here there was no, there was no wall in that. I guess no. I
Yeah,
don't know.
here we had a wall, I think.
No, no. I don't think there was a wall. But I'll just check the
Can
plan or
you? Yeah, yeah. Because here we
just
had a wall. This portion, and
okay. 1 minute. I'll just open that plan.
which one was the plan? Can you tell the name of the client? This one, plan B.
It is Sudhanshu.
Sudhanshu. Okay.
Yeah, there was no
Yes.
wall.
Okay, Sudhanshu Behra.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so there was Sudhanshu Behra. So
Yeah.
I'll go to that.
I think you are confused with Subrata.
I was looking at this Subrajyoti one.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, you can plan on the Subrajyoti one. So yeah, so it's Sudhanshu Behra, no?
Yes.
So we'll go with the Sudhanshu Behra drawing.
Okay.
So okay, I've opened it now. Okay, so let me just check the beam column plan. So okay. We can extend this up to there here in the
Which
plinth
one?
level as well.
Okay.
This one,
Okay.
yeah.
The beam.
Yeah, the beam. Like if we can extend,
Okay.
first of all, the columns you can do 10 inch to 10 inch as well. We'll see later what size you have to provide.
Okay.
You've done this 10 inch to 10 inch, or it seems a little larger.
Yeah, it's 10 inch.
Like okay, you've done it directly into mm. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. You have after doing it in you have then sent me.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is 6 inch. Because I
Actually, it doesn't matter, but because it is for only for the column position. But
hmm,
if it's good by that, if you or do everything, and while making the beam column plan, if you make everything 10 inch, then it's better because the beams
but
will be.
normally when you do partition wall, now if you consider this as a partition wall, uh, that will
I
be
am
normally
not.
be 6.
Yeah, I'm not talking of the partition wall. The partition wall will be 6 inch, but the beam will be of 10 inch now.
Yeah, beam will be of 10
Yeah,
inch.
and I'm talking the beam column plan. So if we are
Okay.
doing the beam column plan, so everything should be like 254.
Okay.
So that part you should consider. And center line will be the same, like can move this.
So center line should be after position of column or center line of the wall.
This is actually the center line of the beam.
Okay, sorry, the beam.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
beam. Yeah,
This is the
center
center
line
line
of
of the
beam.
beam.
Yeah.
So it should go up to here. And click this, extend EX center,
Yeah. Yeah.
and this, and we can then copy this from here to here. So you can correct that. I'll the
Okay.
10-inch wall will correct that. I'll just show the
Yeah.
column position for now. So,
Okay.
yeah. So this you have put in column here. That's fair enough. And another one here. That's good. At the plinth level you have here. Make that 10-inch.
Okay.
We don't need here actually, because why we don't need here, because this is, I think the difference here is, can you tell the dimension of this room? It's
Sorry, just
around
a second. It should be 8 feet 4 inch.
so 8 feet 4 inch. So we don't need a column in between that. And anyway, in the top level as well, this is the plinth level, but in the
Yeah, this
top
is a
level
beam.
it's enough that we provide a conceal beam here. We don't need a regular beam also. We provide a
Okay, a
conceal
conceal
beam here.
beam.
Yeah, we
Okay.
provide a conceal beam here,
Hmm.
and this beam will go up to this much. Like,
Okay.
can it's good that better that you don't take any.
But if you see in the first floor, it's a balcony projection, no? So there is no
No, and
support for that.
there is no projection. There is no projection. Yeah, there is no projection. There will be columns, no?
There's no column.
We're giving columns, so we'll give a beam. Yeah, there here will be beam. That part I'm telling you.
Okay.
You need to give a beam here.
Okay.
Beam will go like this.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that part you have done it wrong. So you have to give a beam there compulsory.
Okay. Okay.
And you need to make this 10-inch. This is 5-inch.
Yeah, this is 5 inch.
So like in it will be 152. No,
So
254.
120 something. It will be 120 around.
This is a mistake, I think. 254. You have taken this less.
I've
This is
considered as 6 inch, I guess. Because
six
I was
inch.
not sure what to consider
Six
because
inch walls. You have considered 6-inch walls. Okay, three. No,
yeah,
no, you have not considered 6-inch. You considered 4-inch here.
4 inch I've
Yeah.
considered. 4 inch. Okay.
So please correct this. So it will go
Okay.
like this.
Okay.
It will go like this. This will be a concealed beam in the first floor, and like in for now we'll provide like full beams. So in the after the design is complete, we'll provide as concealed beams. So
Okay.
these three columns are finalized. Like this position of these three columns are finalized, but
Okay.
this columns place you need to change a bit, because here you have the bedroom.
Yeah.
Here you have the, what do you have here?
But it's a utility, I guess.
Utility. So as I had told you, I think I told you or not, I don't know.
In the video, it is shown that the column should be not in the
Yeah,
bedroom.
yeah. So you haven't considered that. So
Okay.
we have to consider that. Okay, let me just correct it
Yeah,
for
but
you.
I have a doubt on that. So if you're putting a column in between of the bedroom and the OTS room, but anyways, it will be covered by the blockwork, no?
Are you telling about the false ceiling?
Not false ceiling. Your column will there won't be any offset anyways
I didn't
in the
get you.
room. So this column is of 10 inch into 10 inch, right?
Yeah,
And if I
this column is of 10 inch into 10 inch, and
hmm,
like the beam is also of 10 inch. So the beam, if you put the column here, so the beam can go from here to here, like
yeah,
this. What
beam.
I'm doing right
Okay.
now. What I'm doing right now. Yeah, the beam will go from here to here. So the
Mm-hmm.
beam will be visible in the kitchen and the utility room.
Okay,
It
okay,
will not be
okay,
visible in the bedroom.
okay.
So it's better.
Mm, okay.
Here also let's like you have to correct that.
Okay.
So this is the center. Let's take 152 just for reference, and then we'll delete this.
Okay.
Can you join this? J, enter.
Yeah. Okay.
We don't need a grid line here. We have grid line. Select
Uh,
this and grid line here. Okay, small grid line. Because if you have any overlap, that will do like problems in the THD software.
yeah.
Here you also have a grid line. So
I know. Actually, I wanted that perpendicular line. So I was not getting the midpoint of that. So I just drew a line. I forgot to remove that.
here also it's not like the midpoint.
Yeah.
You have to check that. To check that, I'm just showing the column position.
Yeah.
You have to draw it again. Like
Yes.
there are a lot of. I'm just showing the column position right now. I
Okay.
think you got my point. What I'm trying to say about this
Yeah.
10-inch walls.
Yeah. Okay.
So okay, these three column positions are final right now. So
Okay.
like the changes we have made is one column we have removed here because there is not much load and there is not much distance also. We don't need to provide a column here, and the top floor will provide a console beam here anyway. So we don't need a column here. So we'll need a column here, and like it's better that we provide this particular column here instead of here. It's better that we provide here. So there will be 4 columns for this bedroom. It will don't need it here, and we can this is right. Yeah, this is right because we
Because
need
this
to
is a
provide.
longer beam.
Yeah, this is the longer beam. We need to provide this here.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
two is also right. This two is
Okay.
also right, and this one is not right. This one right. Wait a minute. This one is good. This one is good. This
Okay.
one is good. This one is not required because this
Then
yeah, this one is not required. We'll put it here instead. Here, this will be 10-inch wall, no? Here,
yeah.
in line with
Okay.
this. Move this from like here to here.
It's not 10-inch wall. It's I think in the diagram, architect drawing is shown as.
No, there is a 5-inch wall, but we'll provide the 10-inch beam, no? That's what I'm telling
Okay.
you.
Okay. अच्छा. ठीक है.
The video also we are shown that like first of all we do drawn the 5-inch wall and 10-inch wall, and after
Yeah.
that for making converting to the beam column line we've done everything of 10-inch. So if you watch the video, I think you have watched that part also. So okay, so this thing will go up to here. That's why you didn't get it. This thing will
Okay.
go like straight.
Yeah.
This thing will go up to this much. From here to here, it's a single beam which will go from here to here.
So you're telling a
Understand?
concealed beam again?
No, not a constant beam, a regular beam from here to here.
Okay, it will go through one.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. This is not required. Like if you have to correct that part, correct the
Okay.
center
Okay.
line again.
Yes. Okay.
The center.
Okay.
You need to check that. This is the center. This is not 10-inch. Wait.
Uh,
This is 254. What happens if I move this? There is some error. You have to check that. This should
Okay.
be in the same line. If it is not, we need to make some changes in the architectural plan. But this
Okay.
should be in the same line.
Okay.
Like we need
So this column can be moved. I think this column
yeah
where
this
the cursor. Yeah.
yeah this if this is not in the same line, we can change the dimensions of this. We can reduce this a bit so that the column can be moved this
Okay.
side, but this will be a single thing.
Okay.
And this beam we don't require. If there's any wall here, I don't think there's any wall here.
There's no wall. It's a bar. No, there's no wall.
There's no wall here. Okay, what is this?
No, it is it's the entrance with line was shown.
Okay, that is not triggered. That will be a brickwork.
Okay.
That will be a brickwork. Like the stairs will be brickwork. There is not a structural part.
Okay.
So yeah, that is the the entrance step. So that's not
Yeah.
required. So
Okay.
yeah, so this will go Okay, let's do this in the same line because we told this. Do this in the same line. Move this from here to here in this part. You need to draw the center line of this vertical members as well.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay, so we are good here. We are good here. This just let us change. Let's join this. J enter. You need to change the center line of this as well.
Okay.
This one also. Okay, this thing should be in the same line.
Yeah.
Please check that. This
Okay.
column should be in the same line.
Okay.
This one. Draw a line here. Okay, so now let us check.
Okay.
Now let us check if the plan okay. This part is okay, this part is okay. This beam is going like this. This will go like this. We use the fillet command F enter. We just
So extending that beam there.
yeah. So
Okay.
but this will not be like this. This should be in the same line.
Okay.
Yeah. So this we don't require this. Do move it here to this.
Okay.
Move it here. And then just move it here. So this is it. This thing also you missed. Check it properly. Okay. Okay, now we are good.
Okay.
Give one here, here, here. So this will be the same for the first floor as well. Okay, this one also. Let's just do this. Okay. This. This is too much. Will be around like
17. No.
two,
130.
254 divided by 2, so it will 125, 126,
127.
127. Yeah, it will be 127. This center line also you have got it wrong.
Yeah.
We can move it inside the toilet
Okay.
so that it's visible in the toilet.
Okay.
This one. So this was the like the utility portion. This was the kitchen portion, right?
Yeah.
So yeah. So can we provide this beam here? This.
So, that's the bedroom and the dining room.
Okay.
This is the toilet and OTS.
J enter.
Okay.
J enter. Now we'll check for any overlaps, like if you have any overlaps.
Hmm.
I think we have from here, right? Better you join the lines as far as possible.
Yeah.
So that there is overlaps you can manage.
What did you press just now? Like just to
Done
select the
here.
call, only the
Just to
column.
like no, I pressed nothing right. If you select from left to right, then only the complete objects will be selected.
Okay, okay,
So if it's a column, it will be the column. So like lines, it will be lines, but only the
okay,
complete
okay.
things will be selected. Like I have found here that there is a line here and there is a line here.
Yeah,
So
you
if
can join it.
I can join them. There's no duplicate line. Okay.
I think that line has extended to the column also. So
Yeah. Okay. So we're done here with the plinth beam diagram, and after that you can just superimpose that on,
yeah,
because this has set some errors I think on the 5 inch
yes,
one and 10 inch one, so we
yes,
can't check that right now. But in
yeah,
the first floor we have
hmm,
as you can see in the plan, we can superimpose and check that, like if you make everything in the
hmm,
same dimension then you can superimpose. But
hmm,
for you can try that. But for now, as far as I see the plan, we have two different things. Like
yeah,
in the first floor, because in the plinth level we don't have a wall here in the first floor. But if we extend this beam to
okay,
up to this much, so it will have better chances of the taking the load, because
okay,
yeah, we this is a span which is large,
yeah,
and it's the particular this particular span is also large. So for
yeah,
reducing the length of the slab also, we can
hmm,
divide this into two parts. So we can do that for the first floor
oh,
one. So what
okay,
we'll do is, in the plinth level will not provide this beam, while in the
okay,
Tekla structural designer, but in the
yeah,
first floor will provide this. So
okay. In the AutoCAD itself, conceal beam. You're telling,
no,
or full beam.
full beam will
Okay,
be, that will be better to take the loads. And like another one in the first floor there will be this one as well, because this is the staircase portion. Here we have to provide beams.
okay,
Yeah, and we can denote it by a cut to avoid in tech THD, like if you
yeah,
want to avoid putting any slabs over it, so we can put
okay,
a cut here.
yeah,
So this plan will be the same while when you import in THD, both
okay,
for your okay, another thing for structural part consideration. This slab is
oh,
quite large, so we can decrease the size of this as well. We'll extend this
Hmm.
up to this. So this will help. Like we don't need in this in the plinth level, but
Okay.
if it's better that we if we provide it in the first floor level.
In
So
the
but
first floor
but
level.
but this portion can be a concealed beam as well. So yeah,
Okay.
this portion can be a concealed beam. So
Okay.
so in THD, in
Yeah.
THD, we will not provide this one. We
Okay.
don't need to provide this one in plinth level, and we don't
Okay.
need to provide this one in plinth level, and we don't need to provide this one in either level, because this one will be a concealed beam, and this one
Okay.
will also be a concealed beam. So
Okay.
we'll consider these things while we do it in the software. So we'll check whether
Okay.
the plan we have made has any error or not.
Okay.
It is zero layer. So I'm taking rectangle so that I can trim it better.
Hmm.
I'm done with my trimming.
Okay.
So now I'll use this in the THD soft part.
Okay.
So let me just save this plan
Hmm.
as DWG first. I'll save, like, because so I'll name it this as uh, your, let's say, first plan. What was the name? Sudhanshu Behera. Sudhanshu
Sudhanshu.
Behera scent line for THD. So this is Sudhanshu Behera scent line for THD. We don't need this.
Okay.
And since it's the scent line, it will contain only scent line, so you don't need this and this one as well. So we've not done any other thing. Okay. Now whether we have the layer called center line. Yes, we have the layer called center line. Check whether all the center line are in the layer of center line or not. They are in the center line layer, and they also are in the center line layer. And the other things, whether they are in the other things also, you can check whether they are in the center line layer or not. You can select, like, we from
Yeah.
here
Yeah.
to here. So the other things are in which layer, you can check. You have made, I think, two different layers, one for column and one for I and the other one. So if I just turn this off, lay off, turn off this layer.
Okay. So column we don't want.
No, I'm just checking.
Okay.
I'm just
Okay.
checking whether everything is in, like, we've selected this. Okay, so everything is zero. So okay, that's on.
Yeah.
So I'll turn on all the layers. Lay on.
Okay.
So it's good. We don't have here. We need to change this. You have anything like this? An overlap. We had one overlap. Didn't
That won't
observe.
overlap. This line.
That this doesn't matter, but one, some broken pieces, like
Okay. Okay.
one line over the other, that no matters. If it is over
Okay.
the column, then it doesn't make, yeah, like this. You need to join this.
Okay. Yeah.
This was joined by us, I guess, but why did it remain? I don't know.
What's that? A column?
Yeah, that's a column. So that's what I'm telling you. You need to, like, it's better while providing a column.
Hmm.
Like, can we remove the columns right now?
Oh, we can. I think we can hide it.
No,
Can we not?
we can hatch it, because that will better. That will be,
Okay. Okay.
give better visibility. But if I hatch it now, I can do it. So one thing you can do, I can just turn off my You can use the layoff command. Okay,
Yeah.
layoff, then enter. Then I'll turn off this layer because you have made the column separate layer. So that's useful.
Okay.
Yes, I'll also turn it off. So now only
Okay.
I have the columns. So now I can hash it. So
Okay.
I'm in the column layer. I'll do it in the
Hmm.
column layer. Hash this. So I'll select this one and I'll give it a scale maybe of 50. That's too much. 20. 10. 10 is good.
Yeah.
10 is good.
Okay.
No, I think I need something more than 10. Okay, 10 is good. But I need to copy this.
Okay.
So I'll select this. Copy. So
Hmm.
let's select the left point, top left point.
Okay.
Done.
Right.
I think we're good to go right now.
Yeah.
So yeah. So the columns are visible in Tekla Structural Designer. So let's do this in Tekla Structural Designer. So either we have two options, of making this a DXF file. We can use the command DXF out, which will save this in the DXF format, or else we can go here and simply like save as. You have the format like other formats like DXF. So we'll just choose AutoCAD 2000 comma LT 2000 TXF, and we'll name this as same. This is Sutanshu Bera Centerline for PhD, or and then save this file,
Right.
that particular folder itself. So after we'll check this. So I know this is here, and we need to close this because if we don't close this, it will not be opened in
Right. Yeah.
Tekla. So we don't want to save this in 2018 format. Don't need that. Now we'll not deal with plan one. We'll deal it later.
Okay.
Okay, let's work on this plan.
If
Here,
possible, can you give me that crack version?
yeah, I'll just let you connect with the student. So yeah,
Okay.
he knows how to track that.
Okay.
So he will give you that particular file, and
Okay.
like you need to turn on and turn off Windows Defender and something, and you'll get it for
Okay.
365 days.
Okay.
So now let's open and create a new file in the Tekla Structural Designer software. So we'll just check like
Yeah.
whether the thing which you've done is proper for Tekla or not.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll just check into now today. So for checking also, like we need to create construction levels, but for checking only you can import it
Yeah.
first. Like for just for checking, you go to model and we'll go to import DXF, and we need to just select the file location like.
Hmm.
Again, this was the one. So first of all, we'll select only the center line, and it will be in architectural grade, it will be in and then by layer, finish. Okay, we have we have done the
One
grades
line
fair
is.
enough. Yeah, one line is overlapped here. So we need to check this. Yeah, in this zone we have one overlap. So we need to check this.
Yeah.
There is one overlap there shouldn't be, but there is one. This was not the one. We had one. How can there be two? two files. Okay.
I think plan
That that
two.
that was saved
Oh,
in like DXF. I think. Okay.
oh, okay.
Problem. Having overlap. Okay. No, we don't have any overlap here. There's an overlap in the center line.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
There is an overlap in the center line.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Okay, and we can detect that. Remove this.
Hmm. No, it doesn't seem like.
But everything in showing one, it has one center. It should have one center, no? Showing two.
Yeah.
Showing two.
Oh,
Okay, let's delete this.
okay. Just fresh.
Now it is one. Now it's good.
Yeah. Okay.
But we have to change, save it as a DXF once again.
Hmm.
So we'll press Ctrl plus S. We'll save the DWG file first, and then we'll press DXF out. This is the second method of saving as a DXF file. We'll replace this. And then close this. So now let us just check. Ctrl Z and then again import and check this. Center line. Now it's perfect. All good. Grids are done. Next step is let's check our shadow. Untick our center line. Shadow. Don't want the center line. Finish.
Hmm.
Yeah, shadow is also good. This one, this line is not visible. There is some
Oh,
problem with this line. So
okay.
we'll check that. The remaining is all good. Column locations are easily visible. So we'll have to check this line for the shadow part.
Okay.
Let's check the PhD file once again. So okay, what was the thing which we needed to check?
Yeah.
This line, no? This line was not visible.
Yeah, that line was invisible.
Like okay. I think we have certain intersections here. That's the reason.
Oh,
Yeah, we need to go for a fresh offset of 254. Now it should be good. Now it should be good.
okay.
Control process, saved it, and then DXF out. Replace it again.
Okay.
Yes, close this. Now let's see. Control Z. Import DXF. This one. Center line we don't want. Shadow. Yeah. Now we're good. So like this we need to check, like this we can make, the center line diagram and you can work
Okay.
on this. So like you have the steps. So if you want, you can work on this particular plan. You want to work on this plan
Yeah.
itself. Okay. So you can work on this
Okay.
plan, and after that in the next session we'll do like we have everything. We'll do the modeling
Okay.
part. But if you want to do it yourself, you
Yeah.
can do that by watching the videos. But also if you want that do in the class itself, that's also good.
Y-
So
Yeah.
it's up to
Yeah. I
you.
mean, otherwise, what we'll do in the next class?
Yeah, other ones will up to the portions which you will
Yeah.
practice. Those portions, if you have any doubts, we'll discuss that, and we'll discuss, we'll do proceed forwards. Like